Hello beautiful people, it's Coach Steph here. If we're just meeting for the first time, welcome to my world. This is where ambitious women, young ladies and rising leaders learn to communicate with authority, build unshakable confidence and step fully into who they were created to be. Who is Coach Steph? I am a certified business, public and motivational speaking coach, co-founder and lead coach at SS Public Speaking Academy and founder of Carissa Hair. Every part of my journey from business to beauty to the stage has been about one thing: helping women and young people see themselves differently, speak boldly and lead powerfully in every area of their life. I specialize in women's empowerment, working with ambitious women and young ladies who are tired of playing small and are ready to use their voice with confidence, clarity, and conviction. I also support children and young adults to speak with courage so they can express themselves and confidently at school, college, university, and in the workplace as they grow. What I help you do is when you step into my space, online or in person, you will learn how to communicate with authority in meetings, on stage, at interviews and online. Build unshakable self-belief so you stop second-guessing yourself and start showing up as the leader you truly are. Develop powerful communication skills that help you influence, inspire and impact the people you're called to serve. Why do I do this? Maybe you have a story, a message, a business or a calling that you know is bigger than your current level of confidence. My passion is to help you unlock that voice, overcome fear and step onto every stage of your life, whether that's a boardroom, a classroom, a Zoom call or a conference call, with confidence, clarity and courage. If anything you've heard resonates with you, you're exactly in the right place. Make sure you follow, subscribe and stay connected, because I'll be sharing practical tips, strategies and encouragement to help you become the confident, compelling speaker and leader you are always meant to be. Thank you for being here. This is Coach Steph and I can't wait to help you find your own voice and use it. Thank you.